Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know, most of the time when we hear the word free software, we automatically think, oh, it's probably limited, clunky, or just not worth it. But what if I told you there are actually some hidden gems out there that are completely free and genuinely amazing? Today, I'm going to show you 7 free software tools that aren't just good, they're great. Whether you're into music, coding, video editing, productivity, or just keeping your computer running smoothly, this list has something for you. And the best part? No catch, no shady downloads, just legit free tools that you can start using today. So grab a drink, sit back, and let's dive right into it. Let's start with one of the classics, Audacity. This is hands down one of the most powerful free audio editing software out there. And when I say powerful, I mean it can rival paid tools that cost hundreds of dollars. With Audacity, you can record live audio, cut, trim, mix, and apply effects, all without needing to pay for premium software. Podcasters, musicians, YouTubers, this is often their first stop for editing audio. It supports multiple file formats from MP3 to WAV to FLAC and has plugins for advanced effects like noise reduction or pitch correction. And here's the thing. Yes, the interface might look a little old school, but don't let that fool you. It's fast, reliable, and backed by a massive community of users who keep developing new plugins. If you've ever thought about starting a podcast, making music, or even just cleaning up voice recordings, Audacity is a must-have. Next up is something simple but surprisingly useful, Greenshot. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I need a special program just for screenshots? Here's the deal. Windows has its built-in snipping tool, sure, but Greenshot takes it to the next level. With it, you can capture full screens, windows, or even scrolling web pages. And right after capturing, it opens up a quick editor where you can highlight text, blur sensitive information, or add annotations. If you're a student, teacher, office worker, or just someone who constantly needs to share instructions, this tool saves so much time. And unlike other screenshot tools that hide features behind paywalls, Greenshot is fully free and lightweight. All right, for all my programmers, web developers, or even casual coders out there, this one is a game changer. Visual Studio Code. Honestly, this isn't just a code editor. It's more like a coding Swiss Army knife. VS Code supports almost every programming language you can think of, from Python and JavaScript to C++ and Go. It's super customizable with thousands of free extensions that let you do everything: debugging, linting, live server previews, even integrating GitHub directly. What I love most is how lightweight it is. Unlike some bulky IDEs, VS Code opens fast, runs smoothly, and gives you everything you need without draining your computer. No wonder it's become the most popular code editor worldwide. And yep, it's completely free, backed by Microsoft. Now, video editing software is usually one of those things where free means either heavily restricted or full of watermarks. But Shotcut is one of the rare free editors that's actually really good. It supports 4K video, a wide range of file formats, and has professional-level features like color correction, audio filters, transitions, and even keyframing. It might take a little time to get used to the interface, but once you get the hang of it, it feels like you're using a paid editor. If you're just starting out as a content creator or you want to edit videos without investing in expensive tools like Adobe Premiere, Shotcut is the way to go. Okay, let's switch gears a bit and talk about keeping your computer fast. Over time, your hard drive files get scattered, which slows down performance. That's where Defraggler comes in. It's made by the same team behind CC Cleaner, and it basically reorganizes your hard drive so files are stored more efficiently. The result? Faster boot times, quicker file loading, and an overall smoother PC experience. Unlike Windows' built-in defragmenter, Defraggler gives you more control. You can defrag individual files or entire drives. And don't worry, if you're using an SSD, you won't need this, but for HDD users, it's a lifesaver. This next one is absolutely beautiful. Stellarium. Think of it as a planetarium on your computer. If you've ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what those stars, constellations, or planets are, this software has the answers. It shows you a realistic 3D view of the sky based on your location and time. You can zoom in on planets, track satellites, and even simulate astronomical events like eclipses. Astronomy students love it, stargazers love it, and honestly, even if you're just curious, it's one of the most relaxing pieces of software to explore. Best part? Totally free. And finally, a small tool that can save you from a lot of frustration, Unchecky. We've all been there. You download a program, hit next too quickly, and suddenly your computer is full of unwanted toolbars, extra apps, and other junk you didn't mean to install. Unchecky solves this problem by automatically unchecking those sneaky boxes during software installations. It basically keeps your PC safe from bloatware without you having to pay extra attention. It's small, simple, and runs in the background without slowing your computer down. Definitely one of those tools you don't realize you need until you actually use it. And there you have it. 7 free software that are actually great. From audio editing to coding, video editing to stargazing, these tools prove that sometimes the best things in life really are free. Which one of these do you think you'll try out first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you guys are excited about. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share this video with someone who's always on the hunt for free tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.